students, we have another question to do, and the question says two bodies collide on a horizontal frictionless surface. Body X of mass 2 kg, this is the X body 2 kg, moves with an initial velocity of 0.8 meter per second, that is v1, and the body Y is initially stationary. So here is the body Y that has velocity 0. After the collision, body X moves at an angle 90 degree to the initial direction of the motion with the speed of 0.6. So after the collision, this body moves like this. So there is a body already placed here, and there is a body here, and this body moves this and goes this, and this body ball moves like this. So in this question, we will use the conservation of momentum, that the mv is always constant. But in this question, we will not directly use, we have to use the components, we have to break the forces into different components. So initially, so when it is going 90 degrees, this body will be, will move towards this. Suppose this is a 45 angle, it doesn't matter what angle it goes, but let's take it as 45, because we don't have to calculate each of the component, we just have to calculate the magnitude of momentum of phi. So initial is mv, so it will become 2 into 0.8 equals to, suppose this is the moment x and this is moment y, so this will be moment x, that is equal to 1.6, and for this vertically, this will be 2 into 0.6, 2 because mass is 2, velocity is 0.6 here, it is my, this is 1.2. So the resultant, that is the m, that is the resultant, will be the mx square plus my square root. So it will be 1.6 square plus 1.2 square and the root. So it will become 2.56 plus 1.44 root, and this is 4.00. So the root of 4 is 2. So among A, B, C, D, 2 is the C option. So now we will check the mark scheme. Mark scheme says C. So C is the right answer. So basically in this question what we have done is, first we have breakdown into the components. We don't need that type of breaking down, that is the cos theta or sin theta, but basically we have calculated mx, then we have calculated my, and then we have calculated the resultant, that is m. So hope you like this video and your doubt has been cleared now. Thank you for watching this video.